Hello friends, hope you are doing very well. I am Soika here. So, today our topic is supervised learning. So, here first we consider two image here. So, first one is actually California housing price dataset, and second one is popular dataset which is uh, IDs dataset. So, we will consider that later. So, in supervised learning, so when we want to discuss about supervised learning, so here our if I think from very basic, then some of question can arise. First one is, what is supervised learning? Okay, now anyone can think about, is there, okay, types of supervised learning? Third question, some examples. And if there is more than one types of supervised learning, then what are the key difference between them? Okay, so first question is, what is supervised learning? After that we will discuss about what are the types of supervised learnings is there with some examples, and after that how do you distinguish between them if if there is more than one types of supervised learning? So the answers are, so what is supervised learning? When we make a ML model, we need some data sets. So according to our given data set, we can apply supervised learning or unsupervised learning. Okay, so if our given data set is labeled we discussed it in our previous video. Okay, labeled datasets, what is unlabeled datasets. So if our given dataset is label, then we apply supervised learning. That means when our data set has a target variable, when our data sets has a target variable, when our data set has a target variable, then we apply supervised learning. Okay, so now what are the types of supervised learning? Basically there are two types of supervised learning. First one is regression and second one is classification. Okay, so in supervised learning our data set has a target variable. Okay, so the property, depending on the properties of target variable, we actually apply these two types of supervised learning. So depend depending on properties of target variable, we can consider regression or classification. Okay, okay, so when now let's go to our image. Okay, see, in this image is California house price from scalar. Okay, so here we have a target variable is here, this one is target variable, and what types of, and also let's consider, and this image is iris, dataset. Okay, so in California house price, target variable can take any number. See friends, can take any numbers. Okay, there is 0.8 also there is also 0.9 and also 4.5 is also there. Okay, but in iris datasets only it has three numbers, 0, 1, 2. So here actually we cannot see the one because it's actually between some numbers. So if we see the whole dataset, the description of the dataset, you can find that target variable has these three level. So what is the difference between them? What is the difference between these two target? Here target variable can take any number, means 0 to anything, infinity, 0 to infinity, any number. Okay, but here only it takes 0, 1, 2. So it is nothing but continuous, continuous but it is discrete. Okay, CRETE. Okay, so the basic difference between regression and classification is regression apply on those dataset which has which have a continuous target variable. Okay, so this is the difference, the fourth question, difference between them, between regression and classification. Okay, okay, so fourth question. So regression applies on those datasets which has continuous target variable, whereas classification only consider dataset with discrete target variable. Okay, okay friends, so here one term is also there. When we say discrete target variable, sometimes also is called categorical target variable. Why? Because if we have some images, so we have to predict is it dog or cat. So dog or cat, so we just categorize the data. Okay, so some points are there, this is the some images, we categorize this is dog, this is cat, this is dog, this is dog, this is cat, this is cat. So we categorize this, but this categorical variable we can consider as a discrete target variable, because if I consider dog as a 0 level, then cat can be considered as 1 level. Okay, it's actually same things, but the names are different, but it's same meaning. Okay guys, so today this is our whole topic. I think you enjoy it, so thank you. Let's you see again.